Hello everyone, how are you? So today I am show a new live project. This is my client project. The client problem is when you access WordPress dashboard, it's showing WordPress critical error. But when you check home page, it's working. A contact page, it's working. But only problem website backend when you try to log in WP admin, it's showing WordPress critical error. So here is clearly showing reinstall or remove this plugin. Plugin name is WP Total Cache. So first of all, you need to remove this plugin. So in this work, you need to access your cPanel. I am already logged in my cPanel. Then go to File Manager. Here is my File Manager, and go to located this website file. My website file located WP public underscore HTML. Then you can go to WP content. Then go to plugin. And so here is rooted, remove this plugin or reinstall. So I clear this plugin first, remove, rename. Yeah, this one. Okay, so I just remove it and let me refresh this page. I hope it's working now. Yeah, see now this WordPress dashboard is working very easy. Now I'm logging to WordPress backend. So let me pause this video and back again login. I am already logged in my WordPress dashboard. So now you can check WP total cache is automatic disable now. And here is my plugin. Let me scroll down. WP total cache, this one. Let me deactivate. Okay, all right, so this plugin is already deactive. Now I can remove this plugin and install again. Then add new plugin, install new plugin. Install. Let me refresh and see this folder is removed or not. Yeah, already removed. Then it's in timing install. Yeah, it's already installed. Now I can click active. So my problem is fixed. So basically this problem create because you cannot update up to date all time your WordPress dashboard all plugin. That's why this problem creates. So I just update others plugin like this one, like this one, like this one, like this one, like this one. So now problem is permanently fixed. So bye bye. So if you need to hire any WordPress fix related issue or WordPress related issue, feel free contact me. Link in the my description. Have a good day.